Screw on the roller pole, roll on some paint, and let's get this done. Start by placing the roller 3/4 up the wall, next to where you have cut in. With firm pressure, push the roller up and stop just below the cutting in. This will dump the outer layer of paint from the roller. Now roll your roller back down the wall in a straight line with a slight lean to the right. As you roll to the bottom edge, you'll be able to apply more pressure as you go down, releasing more paint from the roller. Once you reach near the bottom cutting in, stop rolling. Continue back up the wall with a slight lean, still with good pressure and control on the roller. Once back at the top again, the roller will be semi-full of paint. Safe to meet the cutting in, but be sure to stay well away from the ceiling. Roll back down using the same method as before. When the bottom of the wall has been reached, meet the cutting in again, staying well away from the skirting. The roller will most likely be exhausted of paint by now. Time to colour in and stay between the lines. Using the thick, lumpy paint you have just dumped down on your wall, roll back up in a straight line to the top, this time with less pressure. This allows the roller to pick up some of that paint again off the wall. Giving the roller a little wiggle at the top helps ensure good coverage to the cutting in. Carefully, roll back over to the left wall edge this time, rolling top to bottom, picking up paint with the roller as you go. Make sure you get good coverage over the bare areas that have not been painted yet. When you reach the left wall edge, make sure you have a good grip on the roller pole. Roll slow with control as close as you can to the wall edge without crashing. The roller will likely nearly be out of paint, so don't be shy to wiggle the roller up and down a few times to get coverage. Now that this section of wall is all coloured in and the roller is empty of paint, it's time to lay off. With very light pressure on the roller, still with good control. From the top, roll straight back down the wall edge in one long, controlled movement. Slow down when you reach the skirtings and ceilings. Roll as close to the edge as you feel comfortable without crashing. You don't want that. Move back across the wall, continuing with the lightest of pressure, rolling top to bottom. Doing this, the roller will pick up any accidental fat edges, slips, slides of paint, leaving behind a beautiful light texture on the wall. Continue rolling just past this section to feather out your edge. This will help blend in with the next section of rolling. Reload the roller back up with paint and repeat the process until you reach the other side. With time and practice, you will gain speed and control with the roller, so take your time. And there you have it. The wall is beautifully rolled in. It couldn't be easier.